I'm going to Houston, Texas. Lightning Hopkins is the man I want to see. Whoa, Houston, Texas. Lightning Hopkins is the man I want to see. Well, if you can't stand my jiving, Sam, I'm gonna give you the third degree. They say you know your business, but I've got some news for you. I'm the captain of the ship, you just a member of the crew. I'll be in Texas in the morning. You'd better buy you a lock and key. You'll be looking for your woman, Sam. Yes, and she will be with me. Well, I'm gonna tell you my name. It's written in the bosom of my shirt. I'm a woman's lover, and I sure don't have to work. Whoa, Texas, you'd better buy you a lock and key. Sam, you'll be looking for your woman. Yes, and she will be with me. Tell her what I said, sonny boy. No answer when you called Central 209 because the line was busy. She was calling me Sam all the time. When I get in Houston, Texas, oh, I know you will never rest. Every woman that you meet will tell you Brownie McGee is the best. Oh, Mr. Hopkins, you'd better be on your P's and Q's. Best wishes and your